welcome to the channel where discipline meets simplicity. So before I introduce myself, I am a Forex trader and I am also a crypto trader, and I am also a commodity trader. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, or maybe that's what you are into, you are in the learning stage, you want to learn. In this channel, we trade with smart money concept, and we also trade with support and resistance. So once you join the community, you'll be able to learn how we trade, how we approach the market, and how we trade and make money through the markets. So what am I trying to say? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you drop a comment, your comment in the comment section, of which you will help us to know what we should focus on how we can help you to improve in your trading journey. Remember that I don't have any Telegram group for now. I only have a WhatsApp group, of which if you want to join that community, there is a link in the comment section. Make sure you hit that link, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and like the video. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video, you will be notified. So upon this channel, we don't use indicators, we don't use robots. All we do is just to trade with the market. We follow how the market moves. So what you learn about price action, and you will learn a lot. You learn about how to be disciplined, how to be patient as a trader. Not only that, maybe you are saying to say, Namz, I am new, I don't know how to trade, I don't know which way to go about. I have you covered, whether you are a beginner, you are an advanced trader, because most of the times I've been approached by a lot of traders to say they want to learn how I approach the market whenever I'm trading gold. So make sure you join the community, and hope to see you in my next video. And as we embark on this journey, believe you me, your trading journey will never be the same again. See you next time.